Welcome to our e-learning platform, where we embark on a journey to demystify the world of product ownership. Whether you're a newcomer eager to dive into the realm of Agile and Scrum methodologies, or an experienced professional seeking to brush up on your skills, our channel is here to equip you with a comprehensive introduction to product ownership. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the essential knowledge, key roles, responsibilities, and fundamental concepts every product owner should know. Join us today and unlock the doors to a world of endless possibilities in the realm of product ownership. Who is a product owner? A product owner is responsible for defining the product vision, gathering and prioritizing customer requirements, and working closely with development teams to understand the requirements and goals for each item in the backlog to create and launch successful products. What is product ownership? Let us start with the definition. Product ownership is a practice of managing a product or service from the perspective of the customer and business goals. They act as a link between the customer, the business, and the development team. The product owner is responsible for ensuring that the team delivers value to the business. Product ownership practice. Product ownership is important because it helps ensure that the right product is developed to meet the needs of customers and achieve business goals. By focusing on the customer and continuously delivering value, product ownership can help businesses stay competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. It also promotes collaboration and communication between different teams, leading to a more efficient and effective product development process. A strong product ownership practice can lead to increased customer satisfaction, revenue growth, and a stronger market position for the business. Roles and responsibilities of a product owner. Moving on to key roles and responsibilities, understanding the role of a product owner is critical. They are not just administrators of the product backlog. They must have a deep understanding of the market, the customer, and the business to make strategic decisions. They need effective communication and leadership skills to effectively work with different stakeholders and guide the team towards a shared vision. Some of the main responsibilities of a product owner include: 1. Defining product vision and strategy. The product owner is responsible for setting the overall vision and direction for the product or service, based on customer needs and business goals. 2. Gathering and prioritizing requirements. The product owner is responsible for identifying and prioritizing customer requirements, as well as translating them into user stories or other product backlog items that the development team can work on. 3. Managing the product backlog. The product owner's main duty is to manage the product backlog. This involves creating and refining backlog items, prioritizing them based on businesses and customer value, and making sure the team understands the items. The product owner is responsible for maintaining and prioritizing the product backlog, which contains a list of features and requirements that the development team will work on. 4. Working closely with development teams. The product owner is responsible for collaborating with the development team to ensure that the product is developed according to customer needs and business goals. This includes clarifying requirements, providing feedback, and reviewing completed work. 5. Making decisions. The product owner is responsible for making final decisions on product features and requirements based on customer feedback, business goals, and other factors. 6. Communicating with stakeholders. The product owner is responsible for communicating with stakeholders, including customers, executives, and other teams within the organization, to ensure that everyone is aligned on product goals and progress. 7. Ensuring product quality. The product owner is responsible for ensuring that the product meets quality standards and that any defects or issues are addressed in a timely manner. Let us consider an example of product ownership in the context of a software company that is developing a mobile app. Product, a mobile application for food delivery. Product owner, Jane Doe. Responsibilities of the product owner, Jane Doe. 1. Vision. Jane sets the vision for the app, defining what it should be, what problems it should solve, and how it will provide value to users. She communicates this vision to the development team and stakeholders. 2. Product backlog management. Jane is responsible for maintaining and prioritizing the product backlog. This is a list of all potential features, changes, and improvements that could be made to the app. Jane works with the team and stakeholders to identify what items will deliver the most value and should be developed next. 3. Stakeholder management. Jane regularly communicates with stakeholders, including users, company management, and partners. She collects their feedback, understands their needs, and incorporates this information into the product backlog and overall product vision. 4. Working with the development team. Jane works closely with the development team to ensure they understand the features and improvements they are working on. She is available to answer questions, provide clarification, and make decisions to keep development moving forward. 5. Accepting or rejecting work results. Once a development team has completed a feature or improvement, Jane reviews it. She decides if it meets the acceptance criteria and delivers the intended value. If it does, she accepts it. If not, she provides feedback and the team will improve it. Scenario. Jane identifies that the app could provide more value to users by offering personalized meal recommendations. She does some research, talks with stakeholders, and decides to add this feature to the product backlog. She prioritizes this feature highly, as she believes it will increase user engagement and differentiate the app from competitors. Jane works with the team to define the requirements and acceptance criteria for the feature. Once the development team finishes a feature, Jane reviews it. She finds that the recommendations are not as personalized as she expected. She provides feedback to the team, who then work on improving the feature. After a few iterations, the feature meets Jane's criteria and she accepts it. Throughout this process, Jane is owning the product, making decisions, managing stakeholders, and working with the team to ensure the app is continuously improving and delivering value.